seasonal eating for optimal energy, a key principle of the Life Energy diet. Do you ever feel tired, off balance, or sick when the seasons change? You're not alone, and there's a reason why. Modern food systems allow us to eat anything, anytime, even tropical fruit in a snowstorm or raw salads during deep winter. But just because we can doesn't mean we should. Welcome to the Life Energy diet, a time-honored system that helps you align your food with the natural rhythms of the earth, sun, moon, and your body. What is seasonal eating? Seasonal eating is a core principle of the Life Energy diet. It means choosing foods that naturally grow in your region during a specific time of year. Why does it matter? Because nature provides exactly what your body needs, when you need it most. How the seasons affect your body. Each season brings unique energy that impacts your body's organ systems. Spring targets the liver. Cleansing foods support detox and emotional balance. Summer activates the heart and circulation. Calming foods reduce heart stress. Fall influences the lungs and large intestine. Moistening foods prevent dryness and cough. Winter challenges the kidneys and bones. Energy-rich foods strengthen and protect you. When your diet supports these shifts, you don't just stay healthy, you thrive. Why modern diets leave you out of sync? Imported foods may look appealing, but they often lack freshness, life energy, and seasonal relevance. Your body has to work harder to digest foods that weren't meant for your environment, leading to fatigue, poor immunity, and emotional imbalance. The benefits of local seasonal foods. Eating local and seasonal food has powerful advantages. More energy. Foods harvested at their peak carry more life energy and require less effort to process. Stronger body functions. Seasonal foods are energetically compatible with your body and provide the right support. Deeper harmony with nature. You live in tune with natural rhythms, feeling more grounded, resilient, and alive. Simple ways to start seasonal eating. Learn what foods are in season in your local area. Shop at local farmers markets or grow your own garden. Avoid imported out-of-season foods, especially during extreme weather. Prepare meals using traditional methods like soups, stews, and gentle stir-frying. These aren't just diet tips, they're tools for longevity. The deeper meaning of seasonal eating. This isn't just about avoiding colds in winter or fatigue in summer. Seasonal eating helps you prevent illness, live well through each season, build lasting health for the future. It's your foundation for long-term vitality, resilience, and natural healing. Ready to align your diet with the seasons? You can start today with one seasonal meal, one local food choice, or one intentional change. The earlier you begin, the fewer illnesses you'll face, and the longer, healthier life you'll enjoy. And remember, this isn't just about food. It's about your whole energy system and your future. Want to go deeper? Read the full guide, Total Life Energy Plan by Julia Sun. Get personalized support. We offer health consultations and Qigong-based energy healing to help you align your body, diet, and energy. Watch our full video series on the Life Energy diet. Subscribe for more Life Energy diet wisdom. Get the book, Total Life Energy Plan. Need help? Book a consultation with us. Head to totallifeenergyplan.com to learn more.